Hi, here we discussed about why we use template and what are the types in template. Here, why we use template means suppose we want a function that finds the maximum of two numbers, we would write separate functions for int, float, and double type like this. Int here on code int float double, it has function that a function name is max. Here passed arguments, two arguments for integer. If it is float means here passed two arguments, if it is double means here passed double two arguments, and then check the condition for each function. If the condition is true, that statement will be print. The first statement is int max of int a comma int b, and then check the condition. If a greater than b means if a greater than is print a value, if the b value is greater means print b value. Then float, that same maximum function, max function, float a value and float b value, check the condition, both the float values, and print the correct value. Then double, same max function, here passed two arguments, that value is double, check the condition, check the double value, which one is greater means that value is print. This approach works, but it leads to repetitive code. Instead, you can use a template to write one generic max function that works with any type. Type of templates: function templates and a class template. Function template means used to create functions that work with any data types. Class template means used to create classes that work with any data type. First one is function template. A function template allows to create generic function. For syntax, template, type name T, T max, T A, T B. Return, the condition A greater than B, print the correct value. Template T tells the compiler that T is a placeholder for a data type. Max defines a function name max that takes two arguments of type T and returns a value for type T. Example, here is one code. Every code contains header files and namespace. Here we declare template. Template name is T. That function name is max. Here pass two arguments TA and TB. Return, check the condition A greater than B. Here check the which value is big. Here we don't want to declare type of the value, that is data type, int, double, and float. Here only declare template name, that template name is T. Here pass integer value and float value and double value also we can pass. Cout maximum of 10 and 20 is max of 10 comma 20, it works with int. Here in integer value, biggest integer value is print. Next work with float. Here pass float value 5.5 and 2.2. Here print the maximum of 5.5. Max of A and max of and Z. Here pass string character A and Z, works with character. Biggest character Z is print. In this example, max of 10 comma 20 calls the template function with int type. Max of 5 comma 5 and 2 comma 2 calls the same template function with the float type. Max of character A comma character Z calls the same template function with the character type. In this program, we don't want to declare data types. We only declare the template. That same template calls the integer value, float value, and character type. This template allows us to use the same max function for multiple data types without rewriting code. Next thing is class template. Class template declare using class keyword class my class public. In public section t data my class t comma d data of d. Here class name is my class and function name also my class. Then void display method cout data template t indicates the t is a placeholder for a data type. My class is a generic class that has a member variable data type t. Example, this program contains my class as the function and display function. Here pass the values integer value, float value and string and prints the value. My class int object creates the instance of my class with int data type, float object float data type, string object string type. Advantages of using template: code reusability, type safety and efficiency. Thank you for watching.